Hey guys, it's Mrs. Capello. Welcome back to library. Today is your last day of library for the week, and starting tomorrow you will have music and art instead of technology in library. So that will take you up to spring break, and then after spring break you'll come back to having technology in library if we're not back in school by then. So I just wanted to let you know you did get an email about that today as well. Alright, so we are going back to the San Diego Zoo today. I really enjoyed getting to see all of the animals that you guys learned about. I thought that was really neat. I hope that you all learned something new and exciting that you didn't know before. And today we're going to be focusing on elephants. So your first step is to watch the video, which you are watching right now, so good job on that. And then after you've watched this video, here is the article that I'd like you to look at. It's called Welcome Zuli, and it's all about a baby elephant. And there are different sections of the article, so make sure you read each section carefully. And after you read that article, you are going to answer the questions on this Google form called Welcome Zuli. So it's only 6 questions about the article. All of the answers will be in the article, and then there is a bonus question for you down here as well. So after you finish that is your assignment for today, the Google form. After you finish that, because I have a lot of people ask me, what do I do when I'm done? You can either read a book during the rest of your library time, which should only be like 10 to 15 minutes by the time you finish, or you can continue exploring the website. So like I told you last time, there are tons of cool things on this website. There's animals, there's videos. All these are the live cams under the videos tab. There are live cams where you can see what's going on in that animals exhibit right now. Remember, the San Diego Zoo is all the way in California, so they're 3 hours behind us. So as I'm recording this, it's 9:15 in Pittsburgh, but it's only 6:15 in San Diego. So keep that in mind. There are some cool stories. This is where I found the story about Zuli on here. Welcome, Zuli. So there's some really cute learning to be lions, tiger. I love baby animals. I think they're just the cutest. Pandas, look at this crazy nose. So there are some really cool stories on there. Activities, if you have a printer at home, you could print out some of these coloring pages. There's some cool crafts that you could do. And then finally games. So there are 5 different games you could choose from. Please only do this stuff after you've finished your Google form. Okay, that's the most important thing. So I really hope you've been enjoying the San Diego Zoo. If you have questions, remember this is only if you have a question or if you just want to say a quick hi. But once you've asked your question, I'm going to ask you to get off the Zoom so that other kids can have a turn to ask their questions. Here's the link that I'm using for Zoom, and that will be open during our whole library time from 12:50 to 1:20. Okay, so hope you guys are having a great day. I miss you all very much, and feel free to jump on Zoom if you have a question, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.